subscribe for giveaway in my sub if like giveaway.
Hey guys, welcome back to Lavender. Today we are going to be building my kitchen. I am here with my second person pack. I've already made number one full grown, as you can see. So I'm also going to make my second full grown. It's just going to sit by here for now. We're going to sleep. I was hungry first. Let's just use this part if it needs a bar. We'll just go in here. I'm also going to be watching Sunny X Misty. So this is my voice. I'm kind of sick, so don't mind it. So that is my voice, but this is my voice. If you get what I mean. So yeah, we are going to be building my kitchen. So let's get into it. I only watch Sunny X Misty right now for entertainment because I don't really like quiet spaces, but I don't like too loud spaces. So yeah, bye. Wait, not? Okay, cut. So yeah, let's get into it. Don't really have much money. Kind of spend it. Yo, I want to look. Like I want Got. So let's get this open. I am going to be adding donuts now. I'm not going to be adding pizza because in my opinion I don't really like pizza. I know, shocking. But that's what I think. It's like that. I tell you. So yeah, shocking. Oh yeah, I separated this stuff. That looks so good. So tell me that doesn't look good. I need to know that. Oh, so when I'm done with my whole house, I'm going to keep it in a storage. This for my friends. I created it a feed. And out. And I'm just how you stay while we go to Pete's place. So this heart has a board. It wasn't like in about 2019. That's when I joined in my first account, 2019. This part of the board is like that. Like, I don't know what date was it. It was like 2019. I just got this And I also have another story about my pregnancy too.
So come and play with me out in the sunlight. In a couple years we'll look back and say, this was the moment we found our place, yeah. In a couple years we'll have come so far, but I hope we don't forget who we are. The days they flash, they rush by. So come, let's run, let's dance, let's fly high. I know it won't always be this way. So come and play with me out in the sunlight. Come and dance with me and it'll feel alright. Take a chance, come and dance along with everyone. Our journey's only just begun. Spent so many years thinking about the day our lives changed. Hope we'll be okay. Spent so many years looking to the stars, wishing that we don't forget who we are. The days they flash, they fly by. So come take my hand and look to the sky. I know it won't always be this way. So come and play with me out in the sunlight. Come and dance with me and it'll feel alright. Take a chance, come and dance along with everyone. The journey's only just begun. Play with me.
I think we'll do these stamps. Let's see them. This person is like, oh my god. Where's the best section for? collector actually, as you can see. I really got hours on my behind. And the Canadian person can't let go of me. So, yeah. I was crying. I funded it. Yeah. And I made when on my phone account, I traded it for a and she accepted this. So I kept trading, as I was saying. I got my mega doll for that. I trading with her. This wasn't basically scamming. It wasn't scamming to be honest, actually. It's been a while since I tried. It wasn't scamming pretty much. So yeah, I joined her. So sorry, but I forgave her. I also gave her a free. What was it again? I think it was a free ride dog. So I had it. So yeah, that's my story. So as you can just see, I made this like it's a very big one. Comment some video idea. Oh, I have really bad Wi-Fi, you guys. So annoying. I might just have to cut this part out. So I'll see you. Bye, Violet. Make sure to join my group for the giveaway and type your name. And type your name. Because as you can see, I will be choosing 3 lucky people to join my giveaway. Just add me and join, or I will join you. So this is my profile pic. They're also in my bio. So we're also going to be seeing if anyone adds me. Meep Squad. Okay, so Meep Squad has one. It doesn't count if it was sent from Adopt Me, because then it might just be a random person. Let's see if this girl is online. Meep Squad, Meep Squad. Hello. You have one. My Adopt Me giveaway. Just be on Adopt Me. I will join you or you join me. Bye. She didn't type her username, but that doesn't really matter as long as she adds me. So yeah, I will see you all. I hope you have a good day, evening, night, whenever you're watching this video. Bye, my violets.